Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to launch a practice exam in GMetrix. So first, you'll want to go to your Step 2 folder and expand it. And we'll see here we have two exams, and both of them have options in testing and training mode. And to qualify to sit for the actual exam, you would only need to pass an exam in testing mode, and it would be 70% or 700 out of 1,000. So let's say I wanted to use the practice exam 1 in testing mode. I would click here. And then if I don't have GMetrix, I could download GMetrix. But since the computers here have GMetrix, I'll just click open. And once we click open, we'll see that it's going to prepare a practice test for us. And it automatically launches to one of our practice tests. So if we launch this in training mode, there would be a little hint box here that's blue, and that would basically show you how to do each task. For example, this task is telling you to change the slide master theme to blue 2. If you had the hint, then you could see how to change it if you don't remember how to do it. So again, this is a simulation of the actual exam. The actual exam will look very similar to GMetrix testing. So it's recommended and required to pass one exam in testing mode through GMetrix. So once I finish, I'll grade my project. Here I'll just save it because I haven't done anything. And then it'll launch you to GMetrix where you could save all your work.